Hello and welcome to our next lecture from this course on how to earn passive profits from cryptocurrency. In this lecture we are going to discuss about the platforms that you have at your disposal in order to use one of the free methods that we have presented in the first lecture, which are the staking, the lending and the copy trading. Okay, on some of these platforms you are going to have let's say one or two of the methods. On some of them you are only going to have one of the methods, and on some of them you are actually going to have all three of them. Okay, also in the description of this lecture you are going to find the links where you can actually register and create an account on these platforms. We have to mention that these are affiliate links. That doesn't mean that it costs you anything to create the accounts. But in the future, if you are going to decide to actually use the platforms and use our methods and actually do trades over there, the platforms are going to pay us a commission. So not you, the platforms. Now, looking at the platform to start with, we have Bitfinex, which basically we are logged in right now. You can see how it looks in the dashboard. We know it might seem a little bit complicated, but you are going to see what we are going to use in Bitfinex is not complicated at all. It's one of the oldest platforms and one of the best, okay, one of the most stable and secure. Then we have Binance.com, which is actually the largest platform from what we know at the moment for trading cryptocurrency. They have a variety of services and a variety of ways that you can use it to trade crypto. Then we have Iconomy.com, which is a platform for copy trading, and it's pretty secure, pretty big. They have some good volumes over here. Then we have BitMEX, which is a very good platform for trading but also for stacking. And we have Nexo, which is probably it's a custodian platform. And from what we know, that means it's a little bit more regulated than the other ones, which also means you don't earn as much. You cannot earn maybe as much. They don't have as many services, but they are more secure. They are backed up by, let's say, bigger institutions or companies. Okay, so this one should be good to go as well. And they offer some very, very good and let's say attractive, and sometimes they offer also different types of promotions for lending cryptocurrency and earning on your cryptocurrency that you don't use by lending it. Okay, you can see that you earn up to 12%. Now let's open an incognito window to show you exactly how an account opening looks like. Basically, we are going just to show you as an example Bitfinex, because on the other ones it's similar. You just have to go and press the sign up button in the right top corner, and you will have a basic form to fill in the beginning. Okay, username, email address, password, so on. You open your account, you will have to confirm your email address. This is something that you'll have to do for each of these platforms. And after that, you will have a verification process, as we have told you, in order for them to see that you are the actual real person. And in order for you to be able to deposit money, do trades, invest them, withdraw, you will have to complete this verification process, because they need to see that you are the actual person, the real person. Okay, so enough about that. Again, if you want to sign up, please use the links from the description or the resource file. Obviously, if you want to support us, if not, you can just go ahead and sign up however you want, okay, directly on the platforms, but we would appreciate it, obviously. And we are looking forward to see you in the next lecture.